Hey, how's it going? And I just wanted to do a quick update to a video I just did on the text-to-speech. And I was talking about the multi-line editor, and in the very end of that video I talked about one way to format it by going into the graph here and doing a pre-construct. I don't know why, but I couldn't find the font, and really what it is it's under style. So if we collapse all of these, and actually you can just search for text in here, it opens up style, and in here you can change the size and your fonts here, and all you have access to all the controls. And the reason that is that when you come in here and you hit play, a lot of times the text is way too small. So this is size 45 font, so you can change the color and everything else. So I don't know why, I just had the hardest time finding that, and so it's under style on other ones. So you got to be on the multi-line editable text, because they have content text and then they had style, but it wasn't clear that this is where font is under text style. It's kind of buried in there. So it's style, text style, font, and then you have access to changing the color and everything else in here of everything. So I just wanted to throw that in there, that you didn't need to do the last step I showed you. You can just come in here and update your font. You can still do it the way I showed you, but you have more controls this way. So anyway, thanks a lot, take care, and I'll talk to you next time.